In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use screeners on TradingView step by step, 2025. Before we start, a quick note on what a screener is. A screener helps you sift through thousands of symbols to quickly find assets that match conditions you care about, like volume, performance, or technical indicators. It's one of the fastest ways to spot opportunities without scrolling through endless charts. First, open TradingView and make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures your settings are saved and the screener works smoothly across your devices. Once you're in, look to the right sidebar and click on Screeners. This opens the dedicated panel where all the action happens. Next, choose the screener type you want to use. You'll see options for stocks, ETFs, crypto, or Forex. Pick the market you're analyzing. If you're focused on equities, choose stocks or ETFs. If you trade digital assets, select crypto. For currency pairs, go with Forex. This choice tailors the entire panel to that asset class, including the available filters and columns. When the screener panel opens, you'll see a live list of assets. Each row is a symbol, and each column is a metric, such as last price, percentage change, volume, and more. Think of this as your dashboard. You can scan quickly and spot what stands out. At the top of the panel, click Filters. This is where you define exactly what you want to see. Filters can include price ranges, minimum volume, market capitalization, performance over different time frames, and technical conditions like moving averages or RSI thresholds. Start with a few broad filters to keep enough results to compare, and then narrow down if you need to. Now, select the filters you want to apply. You can set numeric ranges, choose conditions like greater than or crossing, and combine multiple criteria. As you add or adjust filters, keep an eye on the results count so you don't over-constrain your search. Remember that different markets have different liquidity profiles, so match your filters to the asset class you selected. The screener results will update automatically as you make changes. You'll see the list refresh in real time, so you can iterate quickly and refine your view without leaving the panel. Finally, when something catches your eye, click any asset in the list to open its chart. The chart will load with your saved layout, and you can analyze price action, add indicators, and decide whether it fits your strategy. You can always return to the screener panel to continue exploring. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.